Hello everyone, this is Prerna Giri from Team 085. I'm here with my improved concept for the round 1. The title of my proposal is Targeting the S1 ACE2 Interface, the Samadhan for COVID-19. As I have already told about the viral protein structure, I will not go into the details of it. I'll focus only on the S-glycoprotein of the virus. Here we can see that S1 protein of the virus has a receptor binding domain through which it interacts with the human ACE2 receptor, and this S1 protein plays a very important role in virus-host interaction at this interface. The S1 protein interacts with the human ACE2 via S2 subdomain because S2 is responsible for virus-host cell fusion via ACE2. Now this interaction can be a very good target for therapeutics and for preventing virus-host interaction. How this interaction can be prevented? I am proposing two ways of it. One is generation of monoclonal antibodies against the viral S1 protein through hybridoma technology. Now the question comes from where will I get the S1 protein? The S1 protein is the S1 protein of the novel coronavirus is available commercially at mybiosource.com and Sinobiologicals, which can be injected into mice to harvest the proliferating B cells. And these B cells can be fused with myeloma to grow hybrids. Then it can be screened at a later stage to grow hybridoma, which will produce large scale antibodies, and these antibodies will be anti-S1 monoclonal antibodies. Now, in the production of these antibodies, there is one problem that these will be specific to mouse, which will result into cross-reactivity. This can be overcome by genetic engineering, wherein we can ligate the variable regions of mouse light chain and heavy chain genes to human constant region, which can be transferred to the host cell for generating chimeric antibodies. Now, the other way round can be inhibiting the S-cleavage proteases. This can be done through competitive inhibitors. And we know it is well known that the S-glycoprotein has a furin cleavage sequence, and this cleavage sequence needs to be exposed for fusion of virus to the host cell for processing for the endocytosis. Now, this cleavage is done by furin proteases, which are abundant in respiratory tract, like transmembrane serine proteases. Now, if we can design a competitive inhibitor for the serine proteases, which will prevent the cleavage of S protein for exposing this sequence, then the virus cannot interact with the human cell for fusing to it. This is my improved Samadhan for the battle against COVID-19.